Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kelly and this is the Thedivaden, where I like to talk all things home related. And I try to put out weekly videos on either organizing, cooking, cleaning, DIYs. I hope you enjoy. So welcome and thank you for stopping by. So today is another organizational video, and today's is my linen cupboard because it's time. It's time. I've procrastinated long enough and I have to get to it, and I have to get it organized and cleaned out, and it'll just make me feel better. I'm embarrassed to show you what it looks like currently, but I'm just going to take everything out and sort through everything and see what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to give away, or even throw out. There could be stuff that's just not worth passing on to people. So yeah, that's the first thing to do. Is I will purge, I will clean it out, purge, wipe down any counters, and then try to figure out where I want things to go. I bought a few baskets, not many, from the dollar store, just because my husband doesn't like things in baskets. He likes to be able to see and grab. So some things I will put in there and some things I won't, but we'll see how it goes. So come on along with me and grab a cup of coffee, and let's see how we can get this linen cupboard organized. Here is my linen cupboard. We're upstairs. This is my hall linen cupboard. I keep all my towels, extra sheets, even some cleaning supplies up here. So I'm embarrassed to show you this, but it's got to get ugly before it gets pretty, right? So here we go. There it is. It's a mess. It's a mess. It doesn't look too bad there, but if you look at the bottom, look at this mess down here. Just a mess. Toilet paper, paper towels, bags in there. I don't know what else. And then up top, I don't know if you can see, there's extra duvets and blankets and stuff, and to me, it's just a bit of a nightmare. So first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out and then wipe it down and put everything back, purge, and put everything back. Here we go. I think I'm done. Yeah, I've gotten rid of a whole bunch of stuff, and I'll show you that in a second. There was actually a lot of, there was a few cleaning products were empty containers, so I'm glad I did this when I did, and I got it organized for now, what I think might work. I know I'll probably tweak it over the next few weeks, but this looks so much better. So I cleaned out the top part here, which had old duvets and an old comforter, and here is our main towels. Our main towels that we use, the grays, which is in most of the bathrooms, some black and white accent towels, so I'm happy with those. These are just extra towels, and you know, if stuff is in the laundry. This little container I'm using for my face cloths that go with some of the towels, so that's good. It just holds them nice. All I do is I roll them. I just fold them in half and then I roll them like so and put them in there, and then it's just easy to grab them. So this I'm so happy with because I got rid of a lot of sheet sets. There were a lot of sheet sets that were twin size. I don't have a twin size bed anymore. Nowhere in the house do I have a twin size bed, so I don't know why I was holding onto the sheets. I don't know if you remember at the beginning of the video, my cleaning was up here. I liked it up there because it was easy to grab and see, but I just felt like that was the first thing you saw when you opened the door, so I thought I'd move it down. And I just put in baskets here. I know not all the baskets match, but it's a linen cupboard. It's going to be behind a door. I'm not obsessed with having it all matchy-matchy. It just holds stuff easily so I can grab and go. This basket here, I put our extra Kleenex. Over here is our extra toilet paper and some extra big container of Windex for cleaning. On here on the door I put some command hooks and I keep a scrubber brush. This is actually a shower curtain hook, and I'll put towels, the cleaning cloths, my duster cleaning cloths. These are all the things that I no longer need. I mean, like I said, I don't have a twin bed in my house, so I don't need this sheet set. And as much as it pains me to do this, these cute Christmas sheet sets I had when the kids were younger, and I used to put on their beds at Christmas time at December. But again, they're so cute. It pains me to get rid of these, but they're for twin beds and they just don't fit anymore. So maybe this year I'll have to get some new sheets for them. And then some extra towels, an extra comforter I'll pass on too. So there you have it, guys. I cleaned out my linen cupboard and I'm really happy with it. It makes me feel better just to know that behind this door is not so much chaos anymore. Maybe more organized chaos, but it's organized, and I feel good now because I know I have the towels. I know what I need. I need some sheet sets. Hey, it means I get to go shopping. Yay! I can go shopping and get some new sheet sets. That's exciting. But we have our towels, our good towels are there, and I have my cleaning supplies, so when I'm up here, I'm not running up and down the stairs grabbing stuff, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, it just feels good to get that done, and whew, it didn't take very long either. I was dreading it. Excuse me. I was dreading it. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer, but it didn't. No time at all, so that feels really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up and think about hitting that red button below and subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys join me each week as I share tips and tricks or how I do things to organize my house, to clean my house, maybe even cook, DIYs. I love to do DIYs, so probably be a few of those coming up soon. But I hope you'll subscribe by hitting that red button below and join me each week. And until next week, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.